After the discussion of new economic policy, now let's discuss a managerial response to change in business environment. It is obvious that there are a compulsory changes going on in business environment. The major question about that whether the managerial give them any importance or not. To answer this question, it would be appropriate to say that if the manager wants their business should be continued for a longer time period, then they should continue developing, giving importance, and give a change to our business is essentially. It is obvious that all the manager would like to see their business to continue for a long time period so they can flourish it. So they can give a changes. So let's discuss a few changes. First is diversification spree. In a corporate scene, now witnessed a spate of diversification. For example, AT&T served initially range a telecom. When they enter in the market, they come with a telecom business. Now, it has entered into a manufacturing of transmission equipment, switching equipment, wireless products, etc. Similarly, Reliance. You know all of you about the Reliance company. They introduce are diversified in a many fields. They working in a textile industry, petrochemical, IT sector, communication and so on. Second is joint venture or a consolidation of multinational. Many MNCs enter in the Indian market through a joint venture. Let's discuss few examples. Ford enter with Mahindra and Mahindra. General Motor enters with Hindustan Motors. And so many examples which enter in the Indian market. Why they come and enter with through a joint venture? Because first they grab a market scenario and then they can produce the product according to the market requirements. Third, brand building. Expenditures enhanced by a company in building a brand. Every MNCs have invested a huge amount of money to build up their own brands like LG, Samsung, Hyundai. They introduce so many products with the latest version, latest technology so they can enhance the brand. Use of latest technology. Use of latest technology has become the slogan of a successful business. Let's we discuss a best example which is as presently working in our environment, that is a cellular phone. Every cellular phone manufacturing company they introduce a new varieties, new version of a cell phone in the market so they can grab a market attention and grab a maximum profits. Next, sharply improved our compensation level. Our companies sharply improved our compensation level for special managerial technical services. They starting a salaries for engineers, management graduate have risen significantly. They give a various incentives schemes that is related to a performance which has become more common. If you want to grab a maximum income, you improve your performance. If your performance is good, then your salary would be increased. Last, Customer focus. This refers to increase attention to a customer need and their satisfaction. Before this discussing the point, first we discuss in a previous years the manufacturer produced the articles for their own choice. They manufacture it and then they can enter in the market and then sell it. But now the market trend will be changed. They introduce only those products which the actually customer wants. They manufacture the product according to the requirement of our customers. So they advertise the product, they give us so many incentive promotion schemes like buy one get one free. These are the common incentives which were given by our manager to promote our sales. In this way, we can say that if our managers can't follow our environment and they can't change our business policies, techniques, procedure according to the business environment, then they can't survive in the market for the long time period. Let's discuss one example. Nirma Company can be given a name in the context of the managerial response. Some time ago, a Nirma company taken advantage to a popular brands. They launch a washing soap. Encouraged by its success, the company introduced a toilet soap. This product of the company was also received very well in the market. After analyzing our environment and external factors, they take a maximum advantage. They introduce two more products and then they have to enter in the market. So they introduce a new varieties, new versions, new flavors so they can stand in the market. So in the end we can say if a manager grab the market conditions and adjust our product according to the market requirements, then they can grab successfully and then they earn profit successfully. Thank you. This chapter is over. If you have any query regarding this chapter, you can contact in my personal window. Thank you.